What's up, guys? I'm out here on the deck today because the garage is very hot. I've got it airing out with some fans right now. It was like 99 degrees and over 80% humidity today, and it just is brutal in there. But I wanted to let you guys know about a deal I saw scrolling through Facebook today. In one of the groups, someone posted this deal, and if you're looking for a welder, don't sleep on this deal. So this is the YesWelder 125 amp stick welder. Normally it's $99.99. Currently, Amazon has a coupon for $40 off, and it is Prime eligible. So that brings it down to 60 bucks, free shipping. You get Amazon's return policy this way, and it really, you're gonna have a hard time beating this deal on a stick welder. It's 220 or 110, so you've got that option. And it will also do lift TIG if you buy the right leads that you need in order to do that. So if you've been looking for a cheap, lightweight welder to move around and be mobile, this is something to look at. If you're looking to start welding on the cheap, this is a great option if you wanted to start stick welding. And I don't know how long this deal is going to last. I checked YesWelder's website. It's not on there anymore, so I have a feeling what they're doing is trying to clear out their Amazon inventory of this welder, and it will be discontinued. Like I said, you'll get Amazon's return policy on this, so if you're on the fence, keep that in mind. To give you a comparison, right now, I checked Harbor Freight's website just before I made this video. Their 80 amp Chicago electric stick welder is $169.99. That's Harbor Freight's lowest tier welding line, and it's only 80 amps. So this definitely is something that you aren't going to want to sleep on, because I don't think this deal is going to be around very long. So if you want to get it, I would jump on it sooner rather than later. There's a link in the description. And YesWelder is not giving me anything to make this video. I bought one of their TIG 205 DS's before I started making YouTube videos. I've used it, it's been great, no problems with it, treated me pretty well. And if I didn't have the TIG 205, which can also stick weld, I would probably jump on this deal. I just don't need another stick welder right now, and the TIG 205 is light enough to be pretty portable as it is. So, like I said, if you're looking to start welding on a budget or want an extra that you can move around super easy, it's under 10 pounds, grab this one up. And yeah, I hope some of you can get in on this deal.